better watch that other line. Don't bring his ass over here. You got to get in the water. You want me to hold your pole so you can step down? That's a big rock. Might be pretty nice. You ain't got your phone. No, you don't got it. Big dark male.
Can't tell. Big star, yeah, you got the colors.
It's a nice size.
Mad, dude.
It took 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You want to hand me your pole?
I had it too.
Got it.
Oh, yeah. Boom. Yeah. Big spawning male. Getting her done, son. Look at that hook job. The lip and the bottom of the mouth.
Oh,
right
that was
there.
the circle hook?
Yeah, that red one.
I thought it looked like he hooked himself when he took it down.
Decent, yeah.
Still got your bait.
Boom. There's one. Good meal.
Yeah, it's for Saturday night's fights.
Yeah.